Hello, welcome back. Now we now start inputting our test on it. We'll be listening to the audio and we'll be inputting our test. Let us
إنا أنذرناكم عذابا قريبا
I want to be
إنا
let me list.
إنا أنذرناكم.
This in Anzagnakum. Then I will now go forward to my book. Then I will now be copying Inna Anzagnakum. I'll first copy the Inna Anzagnakum. Inna Anzagnakum. I'll copy it. Then go back and write my text here. Then I'll paste it here. Paste. Then after I've pasted it, then I'll now come back to change its color. I'll go to try and change its color to white. Can you see? This is it. Then if I want to give it a border, I can give it a black border. Or as you change this to, let me use a color test. Let me use a black color and let me give it a border and give it what border. Can you see it? I can do its border. Let me give it. Okay. Then test. I want to increase it. Then if I want to space it, I want to space this line. If it is 2 or 3 something, I can use this one to space its pages. Then since I'm not using it, let me go back again. Let me paste it. Or sometimes I can just give it a border. I can just go and create a background for it. Let me just go to my PC lab and create a background for it. Okay, default. Let's assume I wanted to use and just create a black background. Let me see if I can reduce its opacity, then I will be using it. But if I can't reduce its opacity, then I won't use it at all. PNG Ultra save to gallery. Okay, it has saved. Then I'll now go back to my image. Then I'll go back to my pip. Then I'll click on recent to pick it. Recent. Then go to gallery. If I can reduce its opacity, but I think I can do that. If I'll be able to reduce the opacity, then that will be better for me. And okay, this is it. Then I will now I'll resize it. Then filter. Contrast. Okay, I can use chroma or blend to blend my color inside it. If I wanted to use a blend color, then I can, if I want to blend it, I'll click on blend here, then I will reduce its opacity. I want the black to fade on it because I want to use a white color. And just leave it like this. Then that's that. Then I will now expand it to reach the background size. Can you see? This is exactly. Then after that, I'll click my OK. Then I'll now go back to my text back. Then please, I can now change the color to white. Then can use it in Anzagnakum. Then you now adjust your text.
إنا أنذرناكم.
This is it. Do you know where you stop? Then you.
إنا أنذرناكم
Let me. Then you will now listen again.
عذابا قريبا.
Then you now go back to your note. Azaban Qoriban. You now click that again, copy. You now go back to your, then add text again. Azaban Qoriban. Then adjust it to reach it, click it here, then to meet each other. Then you now go back.
إنا أنذرناكم عذابا قريبا يوم
Then you adjust it to this line. Also, then you still
يوم ينظر المرء ما قدمت يداه
Then you now come here. يوم ينظر المرء ما قدمت يداه. You now copy. You still copy it. You still copy it. Wow. Okay. Then you click another text and paste it. Then you adjust it. Then you listen from here.
عذابا قريبا يوم ينظر المرء ما قدمت يداه.
Adjust a little bit. Then you will see expand to this. Then you will now go back again. يقول الكافر يا ليتني, copy. Then you write another text. You paste it. Okay. Expand to meet this one, and expand to meet this to the end also. Then go back. Let me click on the clip so that I can adjust my background. To meet the last edge. Then go back. Then play it.
أنذرناكم عذابا قريبا يوم ينظر المرء ما قدمت يداه ويقول الكافر يا ليتني ليتني كنت ترابا.
Okay, let me stop here also.